welcome to Blood Test. In this video, we are going to talk about the rapid test cards and what are the rapid tests available in the world and which are most commonly preferred in India. So the first we need to know what are the tropical diseases and for which the rapid test cards are available in the world. So the most common diseases if you see are malaria, dengue, filaria, leishmaniasis, onchocerciasis and schistosomiasis. In India, the most common are the dengue fever, the leptospirosis and the malaria. For all these three diseases, you have cards available. For malaria, you have two types of cards available. That is, one is the pan-malaria card along with the falciparum, or it is a falciparum along with the Vivax. These combinations are available in the Indian market, and apart from this, for the dengue, you have IgG, IgM and NS1. All these three are got in a combo pack, or you can get also them separately. Separate rapid test cards are available. The third one is the leptospirosis. You get a lepto IgG and IgM cards in the same pack. This is about the tropical diseases, and these three are the most common cards which have to be available in your diagnostic center if you are practicing in India. So next coming is the typhoid fever. Patient comes with fever. The practitioners usually prefer to rule out typhoid fever, and for that you need to have a Vidal test available at your diagnostic center. As all of you know, the Vidal test, there are two methods. One is the slide method and the tube method. The slide method is the most preferable method, which can be rapidly you can get the results, in which you have to titre the results and give. So next is the rheumatic arthritis, or you have to rule out the RA factor. For that you have rapid test available, in which you get the RA reagent along with a card, in which you have to again see how much of titer is there and whether positive or negative. You have to give the report in 20 minutes. So this is also available in the market. So next is the infectious panel. In infectious panel, the most commonly in India are HIV, HPCG, HCV and the VDRL. So these are the most common infectious diseases in India. Apart from that, you have one more thing in the world, which I'll be talking about later. So all these four are usually asked by all the surgeons or anesthetists before a patient goes in for a surgery. So for all these infectious diseases, you have cards, rapid cards available, in which you can get the report in less than 20 to 25 minutes. And apart from that, if you are associated with a dermatologist, venereologist or a cosmetologist, they would prefer to do these tests on a regular basis for their patients for different factors. So this is a HIV card. The HIV card, you have 1 and 2 in a combination, or you have Tridot test also available in the card method, and then you have the HBsAg card, and then you have the VDRL. For the VDRL, there are two types of method. One is a card method and one is the RPR method, in which you see the titer of the titer and how much of there is agglutination in the blood. So this is two rapid methods available again for the Treponema pallidum. And apart from that, you also have the HCV card, which I have not put the figure here. And the most commonly other infectious panel disease available or rapid card available around the world is for the Trichomonas vaginalis. If your doctor prefers you to have that also, you can also procure that and keep in your diagnostic center. So these are about the infectious or diseases. Apart from that, what is the most common rapid method or card available in the market is the drug testing. So if you see, this is for the nicotine or the cotinine test. For this also, all the drug panels usually in India, you get them as a pack of 6, 5 or 10 or 12 drugs in a single card or strip method they say. So these are available very commonly in the Indian market. If you are associated with a psychiatrist, psychologist or a hospital, big multi-specialty hospital, you need to have these drug cards available at your diagnostic center. Even if you're associated with any corporate, then if you're doing business with a corporate, definitely for each and every employee they are sending, they would ask you for the drug panel testing. So make sure you also procure these cotinine tests or cards in your diagnostic center and keep. So this is about the rapid cards or test available in India, as well as which is needed to be kept in your diagnostic center. If you have any doubts or if you want to say anything, you can definitely write on the comments. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and also like and share my channel. If you want to know more about establishing a diagnostic center, you can definitely write to us at pathlabstartup@gmail.com. Also, our telephone number or WhatsApp number is mentioned below. You can also WhatsApp us or message us. Thank you. See you tomorrow with another video. Bye bye. Signing off, Dr. Lalita Singh.